Hey, this is Alan from WeShipFloors.com, and I wanted to speak to you guys this morning about our new arrival. Our new arrival are 5-foot wide SPC stair treads. Now these aren't a close match or something kind of like what your floor looks like. This is the exact match. And this particular tread here is oak wagon wheel. And we'll go ahead, before I put it up beside the wagon wheel, we'll go ahead and look at it. It is solid SPC. It even has grain in it, the same grain embossing that the floor has. It is a very, very tough cover for your stair tread. So to show you how it's not close but it's exact, we'll set it up right beside our oak wagon wheel. So like I said, it's not that it's close to wagon wheel, it is wagon wheel. So it's using the exact same high definition film graphics on the tread itself as the floor has. So it will blend right in with your floor. And it's a really cool feature that I don't know if anybody has anything like this. We're just trying to separate ourselves from everyone else, give you the products that you need. Coming soon, just so you know, we're going to take this bull nose here on the front, and we're going to have returns that will go down the sides of these treads. It's in production now. We don't know when we'll get it, but it's going to replicate what a hardwood floor tread would look like in any scenario. Whether you have open treads, if you have open treads, you can use return on one end, or you can use return on both ends after the tread is fitted. So we're separating ourselves from everybody else. We're the real deal. We need your business. Give us a call at 1-844-356-6711. Check us out online, WeShipFloors.com. And this is our floor, SuperCore. It is floor in America.